we're taking a break, we've come back, and we still, the obstacle remains, or the goal remains. Remove all of these commits from the main tree, but keep this one. So, in other words, remove this one, or stash it somewhere else. I mean, because yo, short break again. Alright, I'll take it since I've looked at the computer anyway during so-called break. Okay. Now here everything looks sweet and dope, you know. But over here, I wanna like remove this, you know. I want this gone. I want this G-O-N-E. I want this gone. But I'm afraid that a fab file, you know, like if I go like ls and can go to git log, and I want of deploy tools fab file, only this is the only log, it was added and that's it. So like let's go to git tutorial again. Where is it? Check out git log, git branch, git remote, git help tutorial. Oh, that's it. Yeah. So I wanna like do git help and then say workflow. Yo, git help G workflows. So separate changes description. Alright, so let's see. This document attempts to write down and motivate some of the workflows elements used to Git itself. Many ideas apply in general. The full workflow is rarely required for smaller projects with fewer people involved. We formulate a set of rules for a quick reference, while the prose tries to motivate each one of them. But not always take them literally. You should value good reasons for your actions higher than manned pages such as this one. Alright. Separate change. As a general rule, you should always try to split your changes into small logical steps and commit each one of them. That's what I'm doing. They should be consistent, working independently of any later commits past the test suite, etc. This makes the review process much easier and the history much more useful for later inspection and analysis. For example, with git blame and git by saved. Git blame, what the heck. To achieve this, try to split your work into small steps from the very beginning. It is always easier to squash a few commits together than to split one big commit into several. Yeah, that's true. Don't be afraid of making too small or imperfect steps along the way. I'm not, man. I have like 200 commits in this project right now. You can always go back later and edit the comments with git rebase interactive before publish them. You can use git stash push keep index to run the test suite independent of other uncommitted changes. See the examples of section of git stash. Managing branches. There are two main tools that can be used to include changes from one branch or another: git merge and git cherry pick. Maybe cherry pick is what we need. So we say merges have many advantages, so we try to solve as many problems as possible with merges alone. Cherry picking is still occasionally useful. See merging upwards below for an example. Most importantly, merging works at the branch level while cherry picking works at the commit level. This means that a merge can carry over the changes from 1, 10, or 1000 commits with equal ease, which in turn means the workflow scales much better to a large number of contributions. Mergers are also easier to understand because a merge commit is a promise that all changes from all its parents are now included. There is a trade-off, of course. Mergers require a more careful branch management. The following subsections discuss important points. Now, merging upwards, topic branches, graduation. As a given feature goes from experimental to stable, it also graduates between the corresponding branches of the software. Following integration branches. Main T tracks the commits that should go into the next maintenance release. Maintenance release. Master tracks the commits that should go into the next release. Next is intended as a testing branch for top use main tests for stability for master. And there is a fourth official branch that is used slightly differently. Poo. Proposed updates is an integration branch for things that are not quite ready for inclusion yet. See integration branches below. Each of the 4 branches is usually a direct descendant of the one above it. Conceptually, the feature enters at an unstable branch, usually next or poo, and graduates to master for the next release once it is considered stable enough. Merging upwards. The downwards graduation discussed above cannot be done by actually merging downwards. However, since that would merge all changes on the unstable branch into the stable one. Hence the following. Always commit your fixes to the oldest supported branch that require them. Then periodically merge the integration branches upwards into each other. This gives a very controlled flow of files, fixes. If you notice that you have applied a fix to the master that is also required in main T, you will need to cherry pick it using cherry pick downwards. This will happen a few times and is nothing to worry about unless you do it very frequently. Alright. A throw integration. Alright, main T. Cherry pick. Rewind. Let's see, git cherry pick help. So usage or git cherry pick subcommands. Commit-ish. What an American way, man. And revert or cherry pick sequence. Resume, cancel. Don't automatically commit. Select mainline parent. Update the index with reused conflict. Merge strategy. Like, can this be a bit more verbose, man? Alright. Git cherry pick. Apply the changes introduced by some existing commits. Description. Given one or more existing commits, apply the change each one introduces, recording a new commit for each. This requires your working tree to be clean. No modifications from the head commit. Now I don't understand what that means. When it's not obvious how to apply and change, the following happens. The current branch and head pointers stay the last commit successfully made. The cherry pick head ref is set to the point that the commit that introduced the change. Yo, this is like so blow. I mean, oh, true merge, git merge. Like, you know, people are saying how git. Oh, okay. I won't even say it anymore. I won't even say it anymore, you know. I guess. What I wanna do now? Select checkout, so checkout. Yeah, and git master. Let's see. No. Git master dev. No, git best person with git. Well, yeah, let's just say git set previous commit as master. I mean as main. To change my master to an older commit, how can I do this? Checkout master, checkout previous commit, create a branch for new master, delete old master. Alternatively, reset branch to the current. Alright, thank you, Tyler Brock. I'm Tyler Brock. Oh. Yeah, that's a potty mouth domain name. Git log. Yeah, we wanna revert it over here. So we say, what if we say like git first? We say git push. What? The current branch has multiple upstream branches. Okay. Git see all upstream branches. Doubly verbose, for real. On CV, verbose, main. Double verbose. Already up to date. Git push. It says. Alright. I'll just use the good old net. No. I always check these people, you know. AVH. Say git k, and if I want to see diff old version, new version. Ignore space, comments, exact all fields if you want to view a new view. Yo, never mind. Edit preferences, general. Show local changes, height, remote refs. Yeah, I want to see remote refs. But I don't see any remote refs. Well, let's change that back. Okay, remotes, origin, main. Help, file, quit. So if we say, because I could just use this. But I wouldn't know what I'm doing. So let's say git config help unknown option help. Says git config get and set repository. Yeah, so I just want to see. All right, let's restore ISIS. Alright, so we've got all this stuff. I wanna just see all of these repositories options. You can query set, replace, unset options with this command. The name is actually the section and the key separated by a dot, and the value will be escaped. Multiple lines can be added. Options, replace all, get for a given key, get all, local, configuration, files, examples, git config. Okay, so we just say git config and we or even better, we say we know lsa, there is a git file right over here, so we say ls and then we go to git file. Yeah, right there, and we have a config file, fetch head, hooks, index. All right, so let's concatenate. Let's concatenate index file, and then we wanna also concatenate description file. Description. Oh, it doesn't see it. Description, both of them. Oh my god, that's ugly. Readme MD. All right, let's use the like this thing. Documents, programming, web sticker, git. So let's see, config. All right, simple. We'll look at that. Just description. I did this as description to name the repository, and index is just Skype. Welcome. What the hell, man? What the hell? Alright, let's see. Config. So it says remote origin, branch main, repository formatter version, what? File mode, yeah, bare, false, branch main, branch vs node, branch main, remote origin. Remote origin is URL is just one, you know? Like, I don't know, man, I'm confused. So let's just say git config remote origin push head. Fair. Alright. Let's then say git push. Alright. Okay. GitHub. Alright. Fuck you GitHub and your fucking vulnerabilities. While we add that, we also say fuck you Django. I fucking regret the moment I nah, I don't. Django's alright. Although it sucks, but it's alright. I fucking hate it, man. Beginner should not use Django. It's bad. Web sticker, so it's over here. 21 seconds ago, main had recent pushes, compare and pull request. Let's see. How can I compare if there's nothing to compare? Gecko manager, fixed image path. I don't know, like let's just create a pull request. Oh, this is for PVA. Merge pull request, confirm merge. Like 3 of them. So right now this is kinda let's see raw. Copy, no, and this was updated a few days ago, and so I see git status, your branch, alright, and I see git pull. Everything is updating. It's up fast forward. And say git push. I don't know what it's doing, man. I really hate, man, this fucking... okay. Git pull should be fine now. Already up to date. Yeah, good for you. So we say git log, merge pull request, alright. And now what I shall do is revert this to here and set this as main. So I'll say alternatively reset current branch to 1 commit ago. So I say I'll just say git checkout master and then this sign, and then I'm gonna say not 1 but 1 2 like is not a valid branch name, main maybe. Alright. Wow, this is so confusing, man. I so hate this thing. Like how to reattach head, man. Git branch delete this one. Yeah. Checking out. You can discard any commits without impacting any branches. Yeah, how can I discard, man? Like git checkout main. How does it work? Switch to branch main. Alright. Now, so apparently two branches ago was this. So I want to go to over here to like, so let's say if I want to go git checkout, if I go over here, git checkout, but this one, like paste. Alright, now I'm in a detach heads. Like if you want to create a new branch to return. Okay, now this dude said, here's it graphically, he says, so a year later I'm looking at this and thinking that this is the awful way to do it. Oh well, at least it's somewhat easy to understand. Now, why are you saying this, dude? Alright, still in your ref log, nothing committed is ever removed, this just repoints your head at another commit. Fair. It's too dangerous. And git reset is too dangerous, yeah. Yeah, that's how I look at you, man. Alright, so to do it, we've checked out it, and now we want to make it as new master. I mean, I see what it's bad, because you're saying checkout B Ajax Pova sticker, yeah, and then I say git branch, then we say git log, and if we say git k, we see where we are at right over here, and what we'll do is make that master. So we're gonna delete that, you know. Main. So like hold up, like git, if we say git checkout heads out main, it with origin main. So if you say git k, say main remote, yeah, that's origin, remote's origin main and remote's origin master. And so if you say git checkout like the other one, Ajax, switch to branch. Alright, so if you want to make branch move, so if we look, if we go back, say git k, and we see all these commits, you know, I'm not interested in this, I'm not interested in this, I'm not interested in this. I know how to make this, and I would probably make it a different way. I did automatic deployment files. The automatic deployment files were not added, you know. So maybe we have to like copy the fab file, you know. Alright, let's see. This is at main again. Let's say git checkout. PDA sticker, we say ls. Alright, we say ls deploy tools. Oh, ls deploy tools, there is no fab file. Alright, so we say we're gonna copy it from over here. Not deploy tools. There's no. So we just say ls. So we say touch deploy tools fab file.py. Then say no, just code over here. This is created. Alright, and then we say and then we must like do it again, like go back to checkout main and then git okay. Okay, or just go over here, copy it like so, copy, paste it over here, and say git status, say git add git commit nothing added, git add git commit added fab file, say git status. Alright, now what I want to do is like do that, like so. Now I'll just delete it, man. I'll just delete the main one. So I'll say git branch delete main. Alright, I'll say git branch move ajax provide sticker to master. Alright, so I say git push. Alright, here, yeah. No, it's not behind, it's just, oh my god. Oh my god, this GitHub thing is such a pain in the ass, man. You know what I'll do? And I don't care, man. I mean, I'll just go over here, change repository, delete this repository, and that's right. Just copy. I'll just copy the README file since it's not over there. Right over here. I understand the consequences. Delete this one. It was deleted. So I'll say web sticker. sticker game with Ajax as PVA with flavor public create repo, and then I'll just say git push again. All right. So reload. 5 days ago, 10 months ago. Just put that here. With readme file. Commit changes. Dope. You know, and I'll just git pull. Do a git pull. Oh my god. It says there is no tracking information for the current branch. This branch is master, right? Yeah, master. One branch. Alright. Master. This is a master branch. That over there is a master branch. So what's the problem? There is no tracking information for the current branch. Please specify which branch you want to merge with. So I'll say git pull, and this is the remote. And then I'll say master. Alright, dope. And I'll say git status, nothing to commit, working tree clean. And so here we got it. Now we can finally move to deploy this repo, and if we check it out in the git k, it says yeah, it's like this and like that, as a matter of fact. And when we shall make a new repo, we'll just build out of this WebSocket mode. So if we say git checkout web with some mode and say git log, there is I don't know, some other stuff. Let's not deal with it. So let's say git checkout master branch. Alright, it's dope. In the next video we shall deploy this to the bamboozled again domain, bamboozledagain.com, right here. Alright, thanks for watching, see you in the next one.